Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Bidvest Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID, but make sure your phone is connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the Bidvest Bank app. Next, tap the Bidvest Bank app icon on your home screen. You will be taken to the login screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your username or client number, then type your password. If prompt, you can enable Face ID or Touch ID for faster and more secure future logins. Step 4. Complete security verification. For your security, you may be asked to confirm your identity using Face ID, enter a one-time PIN, OTP sent to your registered mobile number, or approve the login within the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Step 5. Access your account. Once verification is completed, you will be logged into your Bidvest Bank dashboard, where you can view account balance, make payments and transfers, and manage your accounts. Step 6. If you need help. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password, follow the steps to reset it securely. And that's how to log in into Bidvest Bank on your iPhone. And always remember, log out if you are using a shared device. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.